Assalamualaikum. Offshore accident lawyers in Houston, Texas. Do not go at it alone. Go ahead and call us. Hearing the right offshore accident lawyer is important if you or a family member has been hurt while working as a dock worker, seaman, or oil and gas industry employees. These jobs are very difficult and dangerous. You rely on your employee and other responsible parties to put in safety measures and make sure they are followed. Unfortunately, too many companies do not protect their workers. The attorneys at the Altman Legal Group will uncover any negligence that contribute to your injuries. We will fight to make sure you receive the money you need to pay your bills and move forward with your life. Call our Houston office at what damage can I get for my maritime worker injuries? As your offshore injury lawyer, your goal is our goal is to make sure that whoever is responsible is held accountable. We will make sure you receive the money you need to recover from your injuries and pay your bill. Damage you may be entitled to fall into two main categories: economic and non-economic. Money for medical expense, hospital bills, medical device and mobility aids, medication, costs, therapy and rehabilitation cost, money for expected future medical expense, waste lost due to your recovery, vocationally rehabilitation, loss of earning capacity if your injuries will impact your ability to work over the long term or permanently. Not all losses are clear cut or obvious, of course. Non-economic damages are meant to compensate you for emotional pain and suffering, extending and lower quality of life. In some cases of extreme negligence, you may have to the right to punitive damage. These are designed to punish the plaintiff. If you qualify as a seaman under the Jones Act, sea below, you may be eligible for benefits called maintenance, and your maintenance compensates the worker for the cost of room and boards as they recover. Cost is the cost of the injured seaman. What is the Jones Act and does it apply to my case? The Jones Act is also called the Merchant Marine Act of 1920. It is a federal law that gives seamen certain protection. It allows them to sue their employee if they are injured on the job due to the employer's negligence. If you spend most of your time working on a boat or vessel in navigation, you may be considered a seaman. If you do fit the definition of seaman under the law, you are not eligible for workers' compensation. You must seek compensation for your injuries through the Jones Act. Under the Jones Act, employers of seamen are required to provide a responsibly safe work environment and maintain the vessel in a reasonable safe condition.